gentlemen. My name is Nganyiso Lamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your private policy page, your terms and conditions page, and maybe your frequently asked questions. So what we want to do, when I go onto your WordPress dashboard, I want you to go to add new. Once you've added a new page, I want you to title this page FAQ, right? And all your FAQs that you have for the business. So I'll tell you the first FAQ. So for instance, maybe you have a question like this: How long does shipping take? How long does shipping take? Right? Remember, and then all I want you to do after this is answer the question. Shipping takes 7 to 14 days. Right? And the best thing that you can do for yourself is that once you've found your product on AliExpress that you'll be drop shipping around the world, go onto the AliExpress page and see if there's any important FAQs. Or what you can do is look at some competitor stores, all right, that sell the same product as you. So you just go online and you type like your competitors. So if you're selling a teeth whitening pen, all you got to do is go into your Google search tab and type Shopify teeth whitening pen store. So I'll show you an example. So we're just looking for competitors, so we can just see what type of terms and conditions they have, what frequently asked questions that they have, and what private policies do they have on their store. So we're gonna you wanna type in your competitor, teeth whitening Shopify. Gotta love it, when Google kind of just listens into your conversation, So what we're gonna do is all you want to do is you're looking for a store, teeth whitening pen, Shopify. Put a plus sign there. So we're gonna try out this so we're just gonna scan, and we're gonna maybe try this. But also, if this doesn't work out, I'm gonna go to yofi.com. See, now we know there's a Shopify store right there. There's gonna be a competitor. It seems like they've customized the AliExpress button product. So they customize it, so it's still from AliExpress, but they've obviously worked out a deal with the manufacturer to put the private label on it. So I'm not going to go into much detail about that, but you see, now this is where you get your motivation, right? For your product. So you always want to, whatever product you get, you want to see what your competitors are doing with their pricing, with their advertising, and what they have on their page. Because at the end of the day, we all have the same product, but it's all about how do we position it, how do we talk to the customer, how do we brand that product. So there's some FAQs here. So if you've got the product already, so this is also nice thing to do is, let's see what the competitors do. Let's see their ad. And this is how you know. So guys, as you can see, if we're competing with this company, you can kind of see the ad creative. We already saw how, so basically they've used user generated content. I'm assuming this is a well-known influencer in the States. We saw the product in use. We see how much time it takes. It was less than 45 seconds. So you always try and compare yourself to your competitors in pricing and ad content in pages and stuff like that. So we see how long will it the results, last expect results. So based on your product, you can just get FAQs, yeah, and then compare. So what you can do is that you can copy and then maybe change it up based on your product. If you see your customers, if you want the FAQs, or what we can do is that we can go to Chat GPT, and that's what we're going to do right now. So once you've seen what FAQs to put in your FAQ page, and guys, please be as genuine as possible. If you've seen on AliExpress that it takes 7 to 14 days to deliver, say that. If you've got pictures, please try answer as many pre-sale questions here on your page, right? And then once you've filled up your FAQ, what you're going to do is click publish. I'm going to click publish there. So your page it's going to be. And what we're going to do now is that we're going to go scroll and look at all the pages. So these are all the pages that are on the site. We're going to look for our FAQ page just to make sure that we've seen it. So there we go. So there's already pre-installed here, so we can even edit here and put the information here. So we can just put all the FAQs in a Word document and copy that information from a Word document, edit and paste here. But here's the page that we created. And what should happen is that there should be a terms and conditions page and a private policy page on the website. Guys, it's essential in e-commerce that you have a solid private policy page. Again, what you can do is look at your customers, your competitors' private policy page. So as we can see, there's a privacy policy, and there should be a terms and condition, refund and returns policy. So guys, these are the kind of things that you need to edit and figure out based on your business, what you're comfortable with. Are you going to give a 30-day money guarantee? I suggest you do that. If people don't receive their order, are you going to have maybe no refund policy, or you're going to have 30-day warranty? So these are the things that you have to just figure out, right? And then what you can do, if you have no ideas, you can go to open Chat GPT. So here we are at Chat GPT. So what we'll do is say, write me a private policy page for a drop shipping store that sells a teeth whitening pen. So literally, it's typing the private policy page for you. So you're going to take this information, you're going to copy it, and you are going to paste it. And I'll show you how to do that. Let's just let it finish. So you're going to do this for your frequently asked questions. If you can't find a competitor, right? The best thing you could do is really think about how look at the questions that's generated and then answer them yourself. Then compare it to your customer, your competition, and then you try get the best private policy page that you can, the best terms and conditions page that you can, and the best FAQ page that you can. All right. So now that it's done, what we can do is take this private policy page over here. just giving us more information, which we love. But I think this is sufficient enough. And guys, we need a privacy policy page. Like, you will get into trouble some instances. And if you want to convert your website into an app, um, the Play Store or the Apple App Store might just deny you. Now, wherever you see store name, you're gonna put your store name there. We can go to our private policy page. You can literally go edit. We're back. We can have so this template has been so kind to literally create a privacy page for you. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna use ChatGPT's private policy page, and we're gonna just click on here, and we are going to delete it. Then we're gonna paste what we got from ChatGPT, and then where you see store name, you're gonna edit to store name here, and you're just gonna put your store name here. I'm gonna click update, and just have a brush, have a look. Maybe you wanna just make a bold where you see cookie policy. So you want to make sure it's very clear to your audience, not to your audience, to your customer, that the headings are nice and bold so people can see. And yeah, just make sure that it's very easy for customers to read, because all disputes, I promise you, are going to come back to your private policy, terms and conditions, and your refund policy. So you want to take some time and really look at competitors, really use ChatGPT, and that is going to be literally the stuff that you're going to always refer back to your customers and say, hey, sorry, please look at the private policy here. Here's the link. And then always be kind to your customers. Please do not use any foul language. Even if your customer does, guys, please be a professional. Be kind. And if the customer is upset, there's something that you've done wrong. Always take accountability, and I promise you, you will grow from that. You will learn, and whatever things that you see or any mistakes that you've made, you will improve them and you will iterate. So once you've done this, what we can do is, once you've updated it, you can go back to the dashboard. So what we do, just literally click back. We just go to the dashboard. Now that we're back on the dashboard, what I want you to do is I want you to go to appearance, menu. Okay, now we are here, and now we have to select which menu. So you click primary menu here. We say save menu. So the menu name is Aura Elementor. Okay, so now what we can do now is scroll down. You can go, and what you'll do, you'll just add these pages you just created onto the menu. Make sure you add the home and everything like that. And yeah, you click save. So that is how you add things to the menu. Make sure that you've got the right menu. So go to your home page and make sure that everything shows on the display of your home page. But yeah, that's how you add your FAQ and your private policy items onto the menu item